Hello you guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you my douyin makeup style type of thing. I'm trying my best with makeup. I want to get into more makeup looks, so let's get started. I get monthly birthday gifts from Sephora, if you know what I mean. So I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop. I put this on as a base now, just like that. And while I do this, I want to tell you guys about today's partnership for this video. I'm so excited to work with them. I have seen so many of my favorite influencers and creators partner with them, and I'm so excited. This video is in partnership with Dossier, I say both. Peaches, can you sit? Sorry, my dog is like crazy. Dossier sells affordable little perfumes and they come in a box, so cute. Any scent starts at $39, while designer scents range from $50 to $280 and upwards. This one I have here is called Citrus Green Apple, and it is inspired by the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Women's Eau de Toilette. I love the packaging because it's snap shut, so like that. And they also have free returns and exchanges forever. This next one, this one is called Floral Grapefruit, and it is one of my favorites. So Floral Grapefruit is inspired by Chanel Chance Eau Tendre Eau de Parfum. Is that French? I don't know. I think that's French. I'm butchering my 12 years of French. And they also have great bulk deals on their website. They have up to a 25% off discount, and you get free shipping when you order 3 or more bottles. And they're also always adding new scents to their collection. If you guys want to get yourself some little perfumes, link will be down below. What should we spray ourselves with today? Floral Grapefruit or Citrus Green Apple? I'm thinking Floral Grapefruit. And then I'm going to spray it on my wrist and rub it together. It smells so good. Alright, so that is Dossier. Once again, link will be on the screen and in the description box down below if you want to get yourself some. And if you do, let me know what scents you get. Thank you, Dossier, for partnering with me for this portion of the video. Now that our dewdrops have set, we are going to start with eyebrows. For brows, I almost always use Merit. It's their volumizing brow gel. And then sometimes I use the Benefit Gimme Brow as well. Just kind of depends what look I'm going for. I had to get a mirror. I couldn't see. For brows, I keep them pretty natural. And obviously, if you see me looking off the side, it's a mirror. But natural and maybe a bit fluffy. I don't know. I'm kind of growing out of the fluffy brows a bit. I don't know. I kind of just do whatever works for me. And there we go. Brows are done. Okay, sometimes I go in with the Shu Uemura brow sword and I kind of just fill in the very front a bit. A fun fact, Shu Uemura was my first ever paid sponsorship. I actually love this. I use it so much for my brows. I just rarely ever show it in like my TikToks. Next, I just kind of like blend it out with a little spoolie type of brush. And then I take Maybelline Great Lash Clear Brow and Mascara Gel. And I wipe a lot of it off because so much comes out on this brush. And then I kind of just like soap brow it, but not all the way up, more to like up and then the side. I know people say not to take hate comments to heart, but sometimes people just tell me to like put more concealer under my eyes, and I never used to do that, but now I find myself doing it a lot. So we're gonna do a slight bit. I think I just broke it. There we go. But I kind of just put the slightest bit under the eye, and just like that. And right here, just because I have like dark spots from pimples that just, I picked at them. I will say it, I picked at them. Oh, and then I got a beauty blender. I got this from the dollar store because I'm not paying like what, $20, $30 for a beauty blender. Then I just kind of blended out. And I had to get a beauty blender because someone kept telling me that like pulling at your eyes with your fingers was a bad idea. So that's why I have a beauty blender now, in case any of you were wondering. And I kind of just blend that down onto my cheeks because I do have rosacea. I guess everyone just thinks I have like super perfect skin, but I have rosacea. It's not terrible, but it's not great. I have it under control for the most part though. I have creams for it. Anyways, just blend. Do you guys like my dog in the background? Alright, that's pretty much blended out. Next, I like to curl my lashes before I do eyeshadow, just because sometimes when I put glitter, it ends up on the curler, and if I don't want to wear eyeshadow one day, then like glitter just all over my eyelid from the previous time I used glitters. Does that make sense? I don't know. This is a lash curler from Shu Uemura, and it works so well. I feel like it's perfect for Asian lashes because it's flatter. I feel like this helps a lot, and I love this eyelash curler. So eyelashes are done. What do we think? Alright, I'm gonna do eyeshadow next, and this is so much fun. I've been loving eyeshadow. This is a palette my boyfriend got me. I love it. It's from rom&nd. I wish I could tell you what it says in the shade, but if you can read Korean, this is it. This is a little fluffy eyeshadow brush that my sister gave me because I had none. Okay, so I used this color right here, this little pink one, and I just kind of put it all over the eyelid. That's all I know how to do. And then I drag it underneath the eye, but not all the way into the corner. I learned to keep it on like the 1/4 outer bottom lash part. I learned it from Korean TikTok videos, I think. I'm not sure, but I've recently been learning a lot of the like Korean trending makeup videos on TikTok are inspired by like douyin slash Chinese makeup. I don't know why it's called douyin makeup. I mean, I'm guilty. I literally call it douyin makeup on my own videos because that's what gets the clicks, douyin makeup versus Chinese makeup. So I am guilty, but apparently a lot of makeup videos and trends are inspired by Chinese creators who don't get the credit. Interesting, right? Once that base is done, I then use my finger and I go in with this like glittery pink right here, and I only place it in, I can't even show you, my eyelids don't open. First like 1/4 to like half of the front of the eyelid, not the whole eyelid. Apparently that makes your eyes look puffy. I don't know, I also learned that on a video. And then the same on the other eye, obviously. And because it's glitter kind of gets underneath anyways, but I kind of like it. And that is the eyes. Do you like it? This makeup was complicated for me as a beginner, so this is as far as we're getting. Next is my favorite part, the Eyebrow. This is the Etude Bling Bling stick. It's my favorite. It's from Etude house. She's so cute. Essentially for this, I literally just like highlight the very bottom of my eye. Apparently some people think I do too much of this, like it's too much, but I don't really care. I mean, I try and go in with a lighter hand a bit, but for the most part, if it comes out too strong, whatever, there's worse things. And this is a good base for like putting inner corner highlight. I added a bit. I find my inner corner highlight sticks more in the corner of my eyes if I use this beforehand. So like I was just saying, we're gonna do a powdered highlight in the inner corner. This is from BECCA. It's Champagne Pop, I believe. My best friend Hannah got it for me. Yeah, Champagne Pop. And in the very corner, I only put a little bit just because I already have like glitter in the corner already, but like I said, having something creamy just makes the powder stick better. I don't know. All right, the last step of eyes is like the yesstyle line. So I take a very thin brush like this. I got this from e.l.f. and then I use my Too Cool Art Class by rom&nd. It has Korean writing at the back. And I use these two shades, but I lean more towards this one just because honestly the middle one doesn't really show up on me, so kind of just mix them. And I outline the very bottom. So I kind of like smile, like see where the line would be and outline it a bit. Honestly, sometimes it doesn't show up too much, but it's fine because I know it's there, so at least I know I did it, even if it doesn't really show. Kind of like that, like you can't really see it. I'm trying to work on it. I need to find a better way to do this, or maybe I need an actual like liner. For the meantime, I kind of like it like that. I've also been contouring my nose lately. I don't know why I like my nose, but I've just seen videos on it. So once again, I mixed these two. Kind of more towards this one though, because this one's more like a gray shade and this one's more warm, and I feel like gray's better at shading. Anyways, I kind of just follow down the nose bridge. I honestly don't know if this does anything. I can't tell. I just do it anyways. And over the nose bridge like that, and then a V underneath the nose tip. I feel like it doesn't really do anything. And especially like right here, to create that shadow. I don't know if you can even notice. I feel like it's more noticeable in person versus on camera, but it's fine. And then we're gonna go back with the Champagne Pop BECCA highlighter, and I love to highlight the very tip of my nose and just the bridge right here, just a little bit, nothing too bad. And with excess highlighter on my finger, I go underneath the brow bone, just with excess. I don't want it to be like too sparkly. Next is my new favorite part, blush. I love doing blush now. I've been watching so many Jessica Vu, Jessie Looks videos. That's the same girl, just different usernames. She said put blush right underneath the eye, in the center of the cheek, more upwards, and it creates a very cute look. So that's what I've been doing. I am using the Rare Beauty blush. I think this is like a melting blush. This is in the color Nearly Mauve, and I kind of just keep it like that. There you go, difference with, without. Obviously do it on this other side, the exact same. It's so cute. And sometimes I like to go over the nose a bit, not too much, just like barely, and on the tip. And sometimes down here a bit too. I don't know, I like looking peachy and warm. All right, after that is done, I then go on to lips. My favorite lippy that I just got for Christmas, it is the rom&nd Blur Fudge Tint, and I think it's called Cool Up Rose. Yeah, 07 Cool Rose Up. There we go. It's such a nice color. I don't know if it suits me, but I love the formula, and it's so blendable. Just like this. And it blends so nicely. Like, look at that. I love it. I recently got the Dior Lip Glow Oil, so I love just putting this on top, just in the center. I learned just put glosses in the very center, just like that, and not all around, and I love it. One last step I also love to do is using a little eyebrow pencil. I like accentuating the ends of my lips, so I smile, kind of, and go like this. and blend it out. And there you go. It's not very noticeable, but it's something. And if you know me, I hate mascara, but I'm starting to use it more for videos and stuff and in real life, just because I discovered I don't need to use waterproof mascara anymore. If you know like Asian lashes, you normally need waterproof mascara and like a lot of primer and base to keep them from standing up. But I learned if you just put mascara at the very tips of the lashes, it for the most part stays on all day and like it doesn't weigh your lashes down. Oh, I just got that on my you kind of just like go back and forth, you know, try not to actually get mascara on your eyelid, and it creates like the manhwa lashes that, I don't know how to pronounce it, also known as manga lashes that people kept calling it. Do you see what I mean? Like with and like without, like it makes like little cute lashes together. Anyways, let's do the next eye. And lastly, we're gonna use some setting spray to set it. This is the NYX Radiant Finish setting spray. I hate this stuff. I get it, I blink all the time. Okay, I think that's good. And that is the final look. Let's show up close. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. It helps me out a ton. If you want to see more of me, my social media links are also linked down below. And don't forget to check out Dossier. You get yourself some perfumes. Their link will be down below. And yeah, enjoy. Bye!